everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video is mag-unbox na tayo ng aking bagong phone. It's an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Oh my god! I can't imagine, I can't believe na we're able to purchase this phone. And this is our old phone. Yan. This is only a 16 plus, no? In white. And yeah, if you remember last 2024, nung launch ng iPhone 16, we purchased this one. And may review din ako nito. Don't get me wrong, walang problema sa phone ko. So far, so good. Walang problema. It's just that, I don't know. I don't know kung bakit. Pero yeah. Okay, let's do this. Huwag na natin patagalin. Let's unbox. So, binili ko ulit to sa Shopee. Total is 86,990. Pero nag-sale siya, naging 81,990, then plus 1,500 na voucher, so around 79,690 something. Nalagay ko na lang dito yung total. But yeah, yes, let's do this. Okay, let's unbox it. Ito pala siya side by side. Side by side natin siya later. Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go. iPhone, my god. So pretty. Gosh. I think deserve ko naman yung upgrade. Wow. Ayan, let's unbox. Oh my god, it's open! It's open already. Okay, ganda ko mag-unbox na akong gulo. Sige na, ito na guys. 1, 2, 3, the moment of truth. Ayaw. Wow, so pretty! Oh my god, look guys. Sakita ko. So pretty. Oh my god. Hala, mabigat siya. Mabigat siya. Okay. Okay, let's spill it. Da-da-da-da-da! Ay! Okay. Okay, it's here. So, ito pa rin, no, yung ano niya, yung parang translation dito, then volume, then SIM, may SIM tray pa rin siya, the Type-C, and yeah, power button, the plateau, camera plateau, and flash, I don't know, LiDAR, something. Okay, let's open. Are you ready? Let's open. Oh, Android. Hello, asa na yung hello? Wow, yay. Hello. Sure guys. Hola. Bonjour. Quick unboxing lang to ha, hindi review kasi, but yeah, nandun pa rin yung SIM ejector pin, and then and the cord, charging. I think it's still the Type-C to Type-C. Yeah, Type-C to Type-C pa rin. Okay, set up ko lang siya. English. Philippines. No, the regular lang. Okay guys, na-transfer ko na yung mga files ko. Hindi pa naman, yung mga contacts, ganyan. Nandito na siya, dumating na rin yung screen protector. May protector na yung plato ko, yung camera plato, then the mismong lens. Then itong case ko. All of those accessories are from Ugreen. If you know that brand, Ugreen siya. Natago ko na, nasa cabinet ko na. But yeah, ito siya. May ano naman siya. May protector, may case. Then itong tempered glass, it's clear case. I mean clear tempered glass. Wala siyang bezel na black. Kaya pag inano nyo, ayan. So, full screen experience pa din. And then, bumili lang akong lanyard. Ito hindi na to Ugreen. Sa Shopee lang. Marami na sa Shopee. I hope matibay siya kasi parang 100 pesos lang to. And yeah, say goodbye to our old phone. Actually, tinan nyo guys yung design. Kasi ginaya ko to. Tapos parang di ako satisfied. Char. Pero di ko muna siya de-decoratean. Tsaka na. Dahil ko pa naman stickers. Pero yeah. Thank you so much sa aking 16 plus. Actually, kasi bebenta ko to. Kaya ko to binili. Para maganda yung camera natin when we go on a trip. Sa ating mga upcoming vlogs. Ganyan. Yung mga pictures na din. And I think it's worth it pa rin. Kasi yung display and zoom niya talaga, yun yung wala naman sa 16, di ba? I mean sa plus. Yeah. Side by side. Side by side. Yan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lord. Kaya, hindi ko talaga to expect na bibilin. Kasi hindi siya nagsisale sa Shopee. Then, nakukuha ulit siya ng 79k lang. So, diba? Thank you, Lord. Mas paparating na yung 18 Pro sa diba? Mga October. In 10 months, there's a new model. But we will not going to upgrade, Ito na, final. Hindi tayo mag-upgrade. Siguro mga 19, dapat mga 20. Yan, 20 Pro Max, dapat din tayo mag-upgrade. Natatawa ako. Pero yan. Yun lang, so far so good. Di ko na siguro kailangan i-test, no? Ang dami naman reviews sa YouTube. Pero this will be our new phone, our main driver. Ano tawag doon? Main gadget. Ito ang gusto ko i-upgrade kasi A16 lang to. I mean yung storage niya. Kasi 128 lang to. But yeah. Thank you so much sa pagnood. I hope na ito ang nagbabalak mo. I think for me hindi siya really good upgrade kasi ang ganda pa rin ng camera nito guys. Sa kahit yung 2x na to na zoom, maganda. Pero if you will go beyond 2x, hindi siya maganda. So, but yung 1x, 2x, malinaw pa rin. Yeah, yun lang. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yan, next week or this week, we have a trip. Yan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!